fighting sons have died for peace, freedom, courage, and pride. Forever they will roam in the eyes of their people here at home, in the eyes here at home. In memorial, I sing to you, I bow my head and salute you too. My native brothers, you've died in Vietnam, but heroes you are here in Guam. You're fighting sons from Guam. He went to Vietnam to seek his fighting sons, to wish them well, the soldiers of Guam. Call out their names all over Vietnam, saying, I want to see my sons of Guam, I want to see my sons of Guam. He said, Hafa Adai, my sons, how do you do? My name they call me, Governor Camacho. I came to see you, brought a message for you, from the people of Guam, my son, your island in the sun. He flew from Saigon up to Pleiku just to wish his sons there Merry Christmas too. The Nang, Nat Trang, Long Ben and Bevacqua. Hafa Adai, how are you? Cameron Bay, Merry Christmas to you. Well, my sons, you're not forgotten. This I'm glad to say, I brought you a gift from home. Your families and your dear friends I bring to you. They would like to wish you Merry Christmas too. Merry Christmas, my son. They choke and cry, they held their head with pride as they gazed at their presents side by side. One young soldier said, Mr. Governor,
thank you, Lloyd.
You made my Christmas so great, oh so great. You made my Christmas so great. 400 or more soldiers he met, Jesus, Mike, Joaquin, Pedro and Alfred, Antonio, Jose, Manuel and Robert too, shaking hands saying, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, my son. There's Jerry and Ron, Billy and Juan, there's Joseph, Jesse, William and Big John, Albert and Pete, Tony and Benny too. Right out and say, we thank you, Governor Camacho.
Thank you, Governor.
We thank you, Governor Camacho. 18 de diciembre, humano pa Vietnam, po bisita Isandalus, ni man tao to Guam, a Faisen Shaman Marcus, Mongila lahin Guam. Mongila lahin Guam. Dress meat na mitas, size meat na libras, hinanao niya dyan kadkanya, susuli i Christmas, mega kata dyan paketi, po presenta todo siempre. Ni centavos, tao Guam, itanu Vietnam. Antes Johano i gobyerno, mahagang siya imanay na, po pangentos kita recorder, pailalahin niya. Kada dani na sinyanya, ano kukuminalago niya. Sabi Diyos, i corazon niya, anamilalago niya. Panmanay si Diyos mahasi, todos hinit tao Guam, sa peligro hinaw niya, bula-bala kan todo bam. Honggizu todos, 5-6 días ni nakman, ano monohang pa Vietnam. Inahandu Johnny Sablan. The day has come to part when we must all say goodbye. But the spirits are high, my son, and we'll be back, he cried. We'll be back, he cried. Now I must say adios To you soldiers of Guam, just remember, we're proud of you, my son. A short adieu, we'll always be thinking of you. Just come back home, my son. Just come back home, my son. He went to Vietnam to seek his fighting sons, to wish them well, the soldiers of Guam. Call out their names all over Vietnam, saying, I want to see my sons of Guam. I want to see my sons of Guam. He's a man of distinction, a man with a mission, with no intervention to stop his intention. He's a soldier of Guam. He's a soldier of Guam.